Hi, Eric Rose, ZenView Studio. A new video this time about maintaining a Soundcraft 6000. Well, in this video, I will show you why it's not useful to recap entirely all the channel. What I will show is that I did, for the time being, I did the 24 first channels of the board. And I will show you how I go about testing and why do I say that recapping of the entire channel is not necessary. In fact, when you see technically on the channels, I will show you how I maintain one channel at a time. But when I went over the 24 channel, I had two channels who had some bad caps. The rest was okay. And why do I say it's okay? Well, I will show you why and how I test and how it's done. All right, so we have a spectrum analyzer that's connected to the board. All right. The spectrum analyzer will show us it's connected to channel 20. Okay, let's see. Let's run it. This is now it's in frequency response. Now it's up to. Okay. So we can see we have a bump here. The bump, it's because I have my EQ set. And I was just showing and preparing a little movie to show you how this is without the EQ, okay? And I will show you, I have a separate movie I will show you where I explained using the channel EQ, and you can see the bumps on happening live on the movie. Just quickly, as we are here, you can stop and just put a low pass filter. Just make sure I'm on the right channel, okay? And here you go, you see the low pass filter, just a very quick approach. That's the frequency response. It's all flat. See, this is 24K because it's running at 48K, so it's the spectrum analyzer is not going any further. This is just to give you the clear view that the channel I took one out of the 24 is running okay. I have a generator, and now if I run, voila, the spectrum analyzer, it's set to 0. I will set the markers. Okay, and here are the spurs. First one. The first one is minus 105 dB down. Second one here, 104, 103.7. The highest ones here, 99 at 20.21K. So this is to tell, I will turn off the sound up and the spectrum analyzer, by the way. I'll give you the capture directly on screen so you have a direct view of what I see here more closely. But this is just the approach. You have to repeat this obviously over all the 24 channels, but this is a very simple approach, obviously with the spectrum analyzer and the proper test equipment. There are simpler ways with, if you have a scope, you can listen to music. Anyway, this is a very technical way to be sure that your channels are up to spec. Minus 104 THD is perfect. There's no problem whatsoever. Frequency response is flat to 0. There's absolutely no variation. You see, I'll give you the capture you can see by yourself. So this means the channels are running fine. No need for recapping. This is just something that people want to recap. In fact, it's working. It's still working. And we are 2026. Okay, no caps were changed. Et voila. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe if you did. And give us your comments. Have comments on the video. Hope to see you soon on the channel. Bye.